I scaled to £15,000 a month filming for restaurants and hospitality brands under a digital marketing agency. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it as a solo operator. Oh, and if the tax man's watching this money is AI, okay? So firstly, why did I choose to start a digital marketing agency? Did I see it online? Did I see YouTube videos? Did I see people that was doing it? No. I randomly fell into that niche off having a digital marketing agency. You see, back in 2018, I was a lifeguard and I was just making minimum wage, literally sat on a chair watching people swim. Until I decided to buy my first camera and leave my 9-to-5 job and start filming promotional videos for companies and brands. After 2 or 3 years of filming one-off promo videos, I'll be honest, I got quite bored. And a friend of mine was opening up a restaurant and he asked me to take the content, run the social media, and just do it on a monthly basis. And that is when the penny clicked in my head. I was like, hang on a minute, I'm charging this client or my friend £650. If I can get 10 of these within my local area, I'm making £6,500 a month. And before I knew it, within, I think it was 8 months or 9 months, I had 15 Turkish clients, Turkish restaurant clients within my local area. And they were all paying between £650 and £950 a month for me to go and do their content, edit their content, and run their social media. And I did this over the space of, I think 3 years or 4 years. It was the same clients, they had been with me the whole time, the same content and the same method of output, which was just editing and videos. And then I decided to implement website building and Facebook ads and graphic design. So I offered the whole package. So the client didn't have to call 5 different people to get the job done. He just had to call me. And that was a unique selling point. The services that I was offering and the services that I was giving for the price that I was charging was ridiculous. I was the best of the best within my local area that offered everything. Most people who had an agency was either going around doing content and just posting it or only doing ads. Like, I offered the whole shebang. So after doing that for a couple of years, I was learning how to do Facebook ads and Instagram ads and retargeting ads and collecting the data and downloading their reservation system. So if somebody went to book a table but didn't end up booking a table, I could offer them an ad and then they book, and then I can show the client that I've got that client back. Like, I was able to create this system to prove to restaurant clients and the restaurant industry that I can get you more bookings. Because if I was just going around doing promo videos and I was uploading it on social media and it looked all high end and glossy, like, that isn't making the restaurant money. That's just making them look good. It's not putting money in their pocket. So this was only recently, within the last year, I implemented Facebook ads and learned how to use them on a high level, so I can turn around to a client at the end of the month and say, look, you pay me £650 a month, but I just made you £15,000. Can I take 10% of that? Or can I now charge you £1,500 a month because I've proved that I'm making you money? And they've turned around and said, yes, because I can prove I'm making them money. Now, the mistake I made when I built my digital marketing agency and scaled it to £15,000 a month is I was too cheap. I wasn't able to scale the business. Number one, because I was flat out. 15 restaurants just as a solo operator is ridiculous. And number two, my main offer from day one was content. So I was technically stuck within that local area, unless I wanted to get on a plane or drive 3 hours to different restaurants, which just takes a lot of time. I didn't want to do that. And that's exactly why I'm going through a transition stage at the moment. I've uploaded 2 videos so far, episode 1 and episode 2 on this channel, of building a marketing agency to £25,000 a month in Dubai. I'm no longer living in the UK, so I'm rebuilding it in Dubai. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check it out on the channel. But ultimately, it all started with that one friend who opened a restaurant. Otherwise, I wouldn't have sat there one day and was like, I'm gonna go after restaurants that serve food and that is a good client. I would never have sat there and thought that unless I saw someone making loads of money doing it. I would never have gone after that niche. I probably would have went under like dentistries or doctors or paddle clubs, you know? And here's the honest truth. Was it a good, fun time and did I make lots of money? Yes. Am I regretting building my business that way now that I've moved away from it and I'm in Dubai? Yes. I've uploaded a few videos on this channel so far on why, but ultimately that agency now is falling apart because, again, I was only offering content at this stage, and the clients are now leaving me because they want me. They don't want a random person turning up filming their restaurant. So if you're looking to start a digital marketing agency, if you've started and can't find clients, if you're looking on how to find clients for your digital marketing agency, or just overall looking how to start a marketing agency, drop me a message on Instagram, drop me a message down in the comment section. I don't have a course or anything to try and sell you, but I will genuinely try and help you start a marketing agency from scratch if you are interested in learning how.